I'm Ken Reed, and we're now looking at page 23 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. This wall display page has the topic of outbuildings. 23A is garages, especially detached garages. 23B is workshops and hobby shops. 23C is guest quarters. 23D is heat producing exterior furnace. 23E is battery storage building for your renewable energy system or your backup system. 23F, sheds. And 23G is larger buildings, barns, and specialty buildings, especially for farms and urban agriculture. We'll look into that as well.